how the person responds to the salam and the sneezing. And they recite the Quran. So I'm reciting the Quran. I'm in the middle of the verse, said Assalamu alaikum. I finished that verse, unless the verse is Surah Al-Dain. Ayat Al-Dain, this is going to be wait for a page and you're at the beginning of it. No. You go to one of these sign marks so that says stop. Just a couple of words. And then you say, wa alaikum assalam, according to what is salam, wa rahmatullah, wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Then you go back to your. Same thing with the sneezing. نعم تفضل.
With isti'adah or with isti'adah or just continue?
What's that? Oh, the continuation, no isti'adah. This is the break-in with no isti'adah. Definitely.